Welcome back to Auto Speed, the ultimate destination for car lovers, style seekers, and performance enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something dark, bold, and full of attitude, the 2026 Black Appearance Package. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It's the kind of package that turns heads before the engine even starts. If you're someone who believes in making an entrance without saying a word, this one's made for you. The 2026 Black Appearance Package takes sophistication and aggression and blends them perfectly into one stunning visual identity. From the moment you see it, you know it's not your average ride. The exterior commands attention with a deep, high-gloss black finish that absorbs light instead of reflecting it. Every line, every curve, every detail has been refined to emphasize power and precision. The blacked-out grille, the smoked headlamps, and the dark chrome accents give the car an unmistakable stealth look that screams performance. The 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels complete the look, sitting beautifully beneath the muscular body, ready to dominate every road it touches. Step closer and you'll notice the subtle touches that make this package feel special. The badges are shadowed, the mirrors are gloss black, and even the window trims are darkened for that perfect uniform finish. No bright chrome, no distractions, just pure black dominance. It's the kind of design that doesn't need to shout to be noticed. Whether you're parked in the city at night or cruising down the highway, the 2026 Black Appearance Package delivers an aura of mystery and confidence that few vehicles can match. Inside, the black theme continues with premium leather seats featuring contrast stitching that adds just enough texture without breaking the dark, moody vibe. The ambient lighting sets the tone with a soft glow, creating an atmosphere that feels exclusive and futuristic. Every material is chosen with precision: matte black trims, dark brushed aluminum inserts, and soft touch surfaces that remind you this isn't just a car, it's an experience. When you sit inside, you feel wrapped in luxury and power all at once. But the 2026 Black Appearance Package isn't just about looks, it's backed by performance. The suspension has been fine-tuned for sharper handling, and depending on the model, you can expect upgraded brakes and enhanced driving dynamics. This package isn't just about driving, it's about commanding the road. It makes you want to take the long way home just to enjoy every moment behind the wheel. Every inch of this package is designed to make your vehicle feel personal, powerful, and unmistakably bold. It's not just about adding black paint, it's about crafting an identity. When you drive a vehicle with the 2026 Black Appearance Package, you're not blending in, you're standing out in the most refined way possible. So, if you're ready to take your ride to the next level of style and performance, the 2026 Black Appearance Package is waiting for you. It's time to embrace the dark side of design and power. Thanks for watching Auto Speed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more automotive secrets, reviews, and reveals. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your style unstoppable.